Hey guys, let's figure how you can keep the screen of your iPhone switched on or turned on for a longer duration. So you would have noticed that iPhone quickly sort of shuts down the screen and takes you back to the lock screen if you're doing nothing on it. So it's pretty simple to adjust this. We go to settings, we look for something called display and brightness. It's right here. And inside this, the setting you're looking for is auto lock. So auto lock for me currently by default is set to 2 minutes. I think 1 minute works for me, but if you want it to be 5 minutes or never, you could set it at that. Remember, if you set it to never, you would have to always manually switch off your iPhone in the sense that you will always have to press the lock button to switch off the display and go to the lock screen. So this could be a battery hog. It could burn your display if you leave it on for too much time. There could be heating. So only when you need to do this for a specific purpose, maybe half a day, a few hours, that's fine. But I think 5 minutes should work for most practical purpose. I'm going to keep it back at 1 minute for my use, but do let me know in comments what kind of use case you are seeing for this feature.